Very good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the subject called as financial management. I want to explain you this topic called as financial management. Simple. Finance means money. Management means it's an art of getting things done by others or done by you. This is about the simple meaning for the subject title of financial management. Now we are going to see very important things in financial management. In financial management, we have 6 blocks. Each block has 4 units. Now we are going to see the unit 1 in financial management called Introduction to Financial Management in block 1. The next one is about the introduction we are going to see in financial management. The process of each and everything deals with only money, that is called as inflow and outflow of cash. Inflow means you can take it as saving or a profit or a business deal of getting money, of transportation of all the activities, getting profit is called as the inflow, and the outflow is called as expenditure. Now we are going to see the objective of this unit 1 called Introduction to Financial Management. In this objective, the first point says analyze the activity concerned with the planning, raising and controlling of funds in a business. And the second point deals with the balance of cash inflow and outflow. This is the 2 important objectives in this unit. The next one we are going to see about the meaning of financial management. I will read this meaning, you listen please. Financial management may be defined as planning, organizing, directing and controlling the financial activities in a business is called as financial management. Once again I repeat, financial management may be defined as planning, organizing, directing, controlling and raising of funds in a business is called as financial management. In this we have banking, leverage, credit, capital structure, money and investments. These are the important things in the meaning of financial management. Now we are going to the next topic called as definition. The very important 2 persons gave the same definition. One is Gautaman and one is Solomon, defining this financial management as the same process we have seen in the meaning. That is called as planning, organizing, directing and controlling the funds in a business is called as financial management. According to Gautaman and Solomon, both have the same mentality of explaining the subject called financial management as planning, organizing, directing, controlling and raising the funds for the business is called as financial management. Now we are going to the next slide in this very important topic of this financial management is called as features. The first one is determines financial managing activities. The second one, capital structure design. Third one is called as financial source. The fourth one is called as the investment pattern or methods. The last one is the working capital of business. The working capital of business. These are the features of financial management. The deepest knowledge for each and every feature is important for developing a business or organization or your own life. Each and every subject what you study in your academic background deals with your life too. Not only in preparing or education purpose you are learning the subject. The very important thing is you are going to the process of using that into your life. Each and every subject are interlinked with your life. In this financial management also, the very important thing is you are going to use this finance and managing the cash in your life too. That is called as a saving can be done, or any kind of process of business development can be done, or starting a new business or becoming an entrepreneur, or any kind of job you are going to do. If you get a salary as your profit, that is called as your cash inflow. Once again I repeat, your salary is a cash inflow and the expenditure is the outflow from your business. The next topic we are going to see about the characteristics of financial management. The first point is manage financial resources. So in financial management, the resources of finance are very much needed to develop your business or your saving or your own life. This is about the first point in the characteristics. Now we are going to see the second point called as proper utilization of funds. You should use your funds in a proper way, not in the improper way, or wastage of money should not be done by you personally as well as in the business too. So utilization of funds is very important for the development of attainment of your goal. That is important in this point. And the third one is about the continuous framework of finance. So continuous framework is very much needed in all the activities of financial system you are maintaining in your business or in your own life too. The major important factor is this. And the next one, very important thing is lower the risk. There is risk in financial management. So risk plays a vital role in finance, but how you manage it, how you handle it, how you use the money according to a development only, not by wastage of any kind of funds improperly in the business or in your own life. So lower the risk. You should reduce the risk and you attain your goal in a maximum way. That's the thing is mentioned in this point. The next one is facilitates cost of capital control. So you should have a control in your usage of funds. So control is needed for the purpose of expenditure or the process of work done in the business. So control of cash outflow is very much needed. You should have a control in using your money according to the core of each and every business inputs and outputs of attaining the goal in the business. And the next one is about the objectives of financial management. First, we have seen the objective of the unit. Now we are going to see about the objectives of financial management. First one is profit maximization. So in financial management, profit plays a vital role, but how you maximize your profit, that is a main turn of process in a business. Main turn. The turn means you should attain a goal in the process of getting more profit by work done in using the finance. So how you do the saving to deposit the money in your bank, getting in like interest, how you get more profit from that profit, or you converting that one branch to so many branches. That is an example for you I am saying. So profit maximization will help you to give bonus to the workers, give incentives to the workers in a festival season, or in a birthday, giving a gift to the employee in your organization through monetary funds. You are doing the profit maximization only. We are all doing this kind of criteria. And the next one in this, I will read a sentence from this point. Listen here. One of the reasons a company employee plays a vital role is the financial manager. Financial manager is maximizing the profit while managing the finance of the company. So financial manager plays a vital role in the company in profit maximization too. And the next one is about proper mobilization of finance. Mobilizing your funds in all the usages with proper usage, not improper usage. The collection of funds to the business is also an integral part of your business in financial management. The finance manager plays an important role by planning, organizing, directing the debt, share and the profit attainment. They say these are the points. So by using your mobilization of funds properly, your kind of debt will be reduced and your attainment of the goal will increase. The next point in characteristics is proper coordination. When you are going to use your funds, the funds which are used by the financial manager with all the workers only, the coordination comes here. Coordination between each and every department heads or each and every department employees or all the staff members inside the organization plays a vital role. With good coordination only, the funds can be maintained properly. And the next one we are going to see about company's survival. Company's survival. The survival of the company is very important by the finance. Why? Because if you are not in the market, if you take an example about the season, in this season we get a mango. So in mango, this season is the particular season for the development of growth of mangoes in a tree. Likewise, in a business, how you attain your company in the market in this world, how you maintain your company properly by fixing your product in the minds of the customers or the consumers or the people or the public. You can take any individual, but how you make your company name to be memorized in the public's mind. So that is important. That's why they say company survival. So if you are not using all these funds properly for attaining the goal and then the company's survival in the market, you will not be able to maintain that company properly. So by using these funds, company is survive. In the objectives of financial planning. Financial planning has got many objectives. In this, you can see about the first point, determining capital structure. Determining capital structure. Capital structure is the most important objective of financial planning. In the heading itself, we can see plan. Planning. Should plan according to use the funds properly by planning in a systematic manner. If you are not planning in a systematic manner, the funds will be used unwantedly and it will be in wastage of not getting profit. You will not get profit. You will run only your company just for a name's sake. So if you are using it according to the code of the proper work done in a company to attain the goal, you need the capital structure. The structure for using the capital is very important. And next one, framing financial plans. There are so many kinds of plans in a bank for getting a loan too. Likewise, in each and every sector of any kind of business, you have a plan. 3 months plan, 6 months plan, 8 months, 12 months, or a period of 5 years, 10 years. You can say so many examples like that. But the plan plays a vital role. Planning to be done by each and every individual in the company. And the next one is about the financial manager is very important for deciding the profit and gaining the goal for attaining it. The goal to be reached properly by the financial manager and the decision to be taken by each and every individual in the company with good coordination and the activities to be done by the financial manager only. Without the financial manager decision, you should not able to run your company properly and the decision to be done by the financial manager only to gain profit. The next topic we are going to see is about disadvantages of financial management. The first point is costly, or you can say very costly too. So in financial management, business attainment of activities through finance is for controlling your handling of cash. Controlling or handling of cash in the business by a financial manager or a owner too. But they will split the cash in different things. Where to invest, where to do business with each and every individual, whether the interest is more or high, how can we use our cash for the attainment of more profit only. So costly, first point. Second point is about rigidity. Rigidity means the standard of measuring performance. Your performance is measured, but how? When you use your cash in a periodic basis, in a correct rules and regulations followed by each and every individual for attainment of your goal in your business, the rigidity is maintained. The performance can be shown. that your target is fixed, but you are attaining your goal more than your target is called as the performance. Your performance skill is shown to the individual persons in your company as well as the owner or the chairperson of your organization. And the next one you are going to see is about difficulty in applying control measures. In finance, the major important thing is you can't measure and control the usage of your measure of using your funds. If you see any kind of new product delivered and issued in the market, if you go and see in the market, others are using it, but you are not using it. You are not updated. So take a best example is your mobile. A single feature comes in a mobile, but your friend is having that new feature. Automatically, it is tempted to change the product automatically. You will put an exchange and you will buy a new featured mobile. So features comes, all the technological development comes, you are adapted according to the change of the new product. Likewise, in this they say difficulty in applying control measures of using funds. I'll read one sentence, listen here. Applying various financial control measures faces several difficulties. So, in financial management also, you can't control the measure of using your funds. So, be careful in financial handling. And the last one is problem in recognizing the difficulties. How will you recognize the problems? The identification of real reasons for deviation actual performance is not always possible. Financial management can work towards managing or avoiding deviations. You should avoid a deviation. Your attainment of a goal should be meant and understandable by the public and the employee to store in your mind. Your target to be fixed, that to be kept inside the mind of each and every individual in a company too. Then only you can able to achieve your goal. So this is about the disadvantages of financial management.